Variables. You've probably heard this word before in one of your math classes. We're most likely forced to solve an equation like 3x plus 2 equals 8 or 2y minus 1 equals 3. In this case, both x and y are considered variables, but what exactly is a variable? A variable is a letter or symbol that can take on a variety of different values. For example, if we had the variable x, this could be equal to 4, 2.25, the word high, and yes, this is possible in Java, or the values of true and false, which are also possible. This previews the four main types of variables in Java, but now we're going to go more in depth. The first one is a variable that can only be set equal to an integer, like -1, 0, or 3. This is most often referred to as an int. The next one is a variable that can only be set equal to a mixed decimal, like -1.23, 0.3, or 4.0. This is often referred to as a double. After this is a variable that can only be set equal to a word or a phrase, like hi or coding is cool. The name of this variable is called a string, and you've probably seen this word in previous videos. As for the last main one we're going to talk about, it can only be set equal to true or false. All right, and this one is called a boolean in Java. So now this page basically shows a good summary of all the different types of variables that we're going to talk about. So an int is a variable set equal to only an integer. A double is a variable set equal to only a mixed decimal. A string is a variable set equal to only a word or phrase. And a boolean is a variable that is set equal to only the values of true or false. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Well, how does the IDE or how does Rappel know what kind of variable our variable is? For example, if I were to create the variable x and I wanted it to be an int, meaning that it can only hold integer values, how does Rappel know that that x is an int? Well, we'll get into this later on when we talk about more specifics about variables, and we'll be doing this in the following videos. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. If you'd like to continue to learn how to code, click subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you next time.